Dear students, welcome to our lesson today, Top Stars Part 2, Module 6. Learning Objectives. Our learning objectives today. Number 1, identify the rule of enough. 2, use the rule of enough and to in speaking and writing. Let's move now to Student Book, page 69, and Workbook, page 60. Let's have a look at the grammar books, student book, page 69. Let's read together sentence number 1. I can't buy this t-shirt. It's too expensive. Let's read it again together. I can't buy this t-shirt. It's too expensive. Look at the word too in red. Excellent. It means very. So it's like very expensive. Good. Can we say this sentence in the same meaning in the sentence with another words? Yes. This t-shirt is too expensive to buy. The two sentences have the same meaning. So the first one, I can't buy this t-shirt, it's too expensive. It has the same meaning as this t-shirt is too expensive to buy. It means that I can't buy it. Good. Now, sentence number 3, I can't buy this t-shirt. It isn't cheap enough. Great. Excellent. We changed what? Yes, in this sentence, we have a different adjective, cheap. It's the opposite of expensive. We used enough. So it's not cheap. This t-shirt isn't cheap enough to buy. So it's not cheap enough to buy. I can't afford it. I don't have enough money to buy this t-shirt. Excellent. Yes, this is the idea. So we use too and enough as a quantifiers to express certain meanings. Yes, we use it most often with adjectives. Excellent. Let's now move to workbook. Okay? Now, let's read it together again. I can't buy this t-shirt, it's too expensive. Okay? This t-shirt is too expensive to buy. The same meaning. I can't buy this t-shirt, it isn't cheap enough. It also has the same meaning as the previous ones, but we used different adjective. This t-shirt isn't cheap enough to buy as the previous one, but we used the infinitive to buy. Okay? Now, let's explain this together. Notice, look at the words in green. I can't buy this t-shirt. In the sentence below, it becomes to buy. And in sentence 3, I can't buy this t-shirt also became to buy as infinitive. So what's the idea here? Excellent. The idea is when we put the second part of the sentence as the first part, we use the infinitive form. Like this t-shirt isn't cheap enough to buy. So the idea is after enough, we could use the infinitive form. Excellent. And after too and the adjective, it's too expensive to buy. Excellent. Let's explain more. Let's read the sentence again. I can't buy this t-shirt. It's too expensive. First, we put the first part of the sentence at the beginning. Okay, this t-shirt. So the second part became the first part. Instead of the pronoun it's, we use this t-shirt because it's refer to this t-shirt. This t-shirt is too expensive. Now, what is missing here? Excellent. It is the infinitive form, and the infinitive form is to buy. Excellent. Great. Let's move now to workbook together. In your workbook, page 60, we have exercise number 2. Read and write sentences. Use the infinitive form. Okay, here we want to use the infinitive form. How? Look at this sentence number 1. I can't drink this juice. It is too sour. This juice is too sour to drink. The infinitive form is to drink. Okay? This is the infinitive form. So we want to, yes, rewrite each sentence with similar meaning using infinitive form. It's easy. Number 2, we can't go swimming. It isn't warm enough outside. What should we do here? Yes, it isn't warm enough outside. So I take the second part of the sentence. It isn't warm enough outside. And the first part, we can't go swimming. To go swimming, we use the infinitive form. Okay? Remember here in this sentence, dear student, that the infinitive form is to go. Swimming is the verb ing after go. Excellent. Number 3, I can't buy these glasses. They are too expensive. So, what should we say? Excellent. We put the second part as the first part. They are too expensive. Yes. So we put the second part as the first part. They refers to the glasses. So it becomes these glasses are too expensive. And the infinitive form is to buy. These glasses are too expensive to buy. A student may ask again, teacher, you said you put the second part of the sentence, then we use the infinitive form. Yes, the second part, we changed only the pronoun they, because if we say these are too expensive to buy, we don't know what, yes, if we read it like that, we don't know to what refers the pronoun. So we used these glasses because they, in the second part, refers to the glasses or these glasses, okay? Number 4, Layla can't go on the roller coaster. She isn't old enough. So we have the same thing here. We have the pronoun she in the second part. So instead of she, we put Layla. Excellent. So Layla isn't old enough. The infinitive form to go on roller coaster. Great. Number 5. Yes, Rashid can't go on the bouncy castle. He is too old. Yes, so let's remember here. Also, we have the pronoun he. He refers to Rashid. Excellent. So, Rashid is too old. Excellent. Is too old. Yes. To go on the bouncy castle. Excellent. And number 6, Hassan can't go to the park and meet his friends. He is too tired. So the second part, he is too tired. He refers to Hassan, so we say Hassan. Excellent. Hassan is too tired to go to the park. Yes, and meet his friends. Now, dear students, I want you to make sure you write these sentences correctly on lines, and I want you to pause the video. Take your time, pause the video, write the answers, and you did a great job. Let's move on. Thank you. Now, dear students, let's move to student book, page 69. We have exercise number 5. Talk in pairs. Use the ideas in the books to make suggestions and find excuses. Okay, so suggestions when you suggest doing something. Excuses if you don't want to go. Okay, for example, I'll give you an example. Let's go study today. My friend says, sorry, we can't. I have to go with Dad to the shopping center. So this is an excuse. He doesn't want to come to study with me. So, you have to consider how to make suggestion. Mostly we use let's. Then we use the infinitive form. And the excuses, like we use the model can't, yes. And the negative form can, can't, we can't, I can't, and we give the full excuses and the justification. So, I can't go with you today to the shopping center. I have to study. Okay, I can't go with you today to the farm. I have an exam tomorrow. I need to study. So, in such way, we give excuses. Now, I want you to practice this at home with your brother, with your sister, any of your family member. Try to give suggestion and get the excuse, and do vice versa. Give excuses for suggestions. You have here in the box like go sailing, go to the amusement park, go mountain climbing, play volleyball, buy a new laptop, and make a buy. Remember, after let's, we use the verb infinitive, so we can easily make suggestions out of the column A, like let's go sailing, let's go to the amusement park, let's go mountain climbing. We don't change anything in the verb, so the verb stays as it is. Let's go play volleyball, let's buy a new laptop, let's make pie. The excuses, we need just to put them in sentences like it's too cold. Oh, sorry, I can't, or we can't because it's too cold. Okay, old, young, hard, easy, expensive, cheap, noisy. So these are to put in sentences. So you should put the words in column B in the blue box. We should put them in sentences before we use we can't or I can't. Okay? Thank you. Let's say an example.
Let's go sailing on Saturday.
We can't. It isn't going to be windy enough.
Okay, let's.
No, it's.
Thank you, dear students. You did a great job today. And remember to practice more using the suggestions and the excuses. Let's do so and so. Don't forget, practice this with your family members and with your friends. Thank you and see you next time.